Hello, it's Paul. I'm going to do a quick video on how to add a menu items to the top bar asked in the training. I want to create a custom page and should add those pages in the top menu. Besides forum logo, can you please make a video? Right. So what I think you want is a link like this Boris has created some training. I'm going to delete that. Has created it, and you want like this, look, forum login right next to the logo, right? So all you've got to do is copy this code. I'll put a link to this page in case Boris updates the code. Copy that, go to your forum, log in, go to admin, go to customize, light, edit, CSS, common CSS, paste in what you've just copied and save. Oh, let me just make sure. Oh, I didn't copy it all right. I must have missed something here. Oh yeah, I just went too far down. So make sure you copy this inside bit. I just copied the after. Look, if I got rid of that, it'd be all right. If I got rid of that, it'd be all right. But anyway, copy it all in, paste that in, save it, right? Everything's happy. Now go to header. Go back to the code, grab the second piece of code, copy, paste, save, refresh your page once it's saved, and you will now have the logo up here, right? Now, depending like mine, I've got an extra long logo on mine, so go back to CSS and add some padding to the left, right? So I'm going to make it 400, oh, not 4000 px, right? And that'll just push it along to the right. Yeah, that's all right. I might want it to be a bit closer, but that's all right for me. Now I need to change these links, right? So I'm going to go to header. I'm going to change the home page here. I'm going to change this URL to Paul Nicholson. Oh, I love the cap lock, man. paulnicholson.com. That's my home page. I'm going to change the forum to contact me maybe, and I'm going to add in this. I'm going to copy this and stick this in there because that one's not got a link. Oh, stick it in there. My contact is pnuk.co. Contact, just a fast link. Training for that is let's get the link. Log out user. Here's the full training link. So if I copy that, put that in here, you probably don't need the HTTPS, right? You seem to just need that, and then put in training. But then you might want to put I don't know, Facebook, something like that. Facebook.com. In fact, pnuk.co/Facebook. Right, and if you need to add some, you can put a few more down there. If you don't need them, you can remove them. So now if I refresh, I go back to my, if I go to home page, that should take me to paulnicholson.com. It does. Contact me should take me to my contact form. It does. Training takes me to that training page on Facebook. Takes me to my whole I don't know, I ain't got many likes, 70 likes, something like that. So that's how to do it. You can then tinker with the CSS. You know, you might want to contact Boris on his forum because he provided this code. You then would have to go in and tinker with. You want it different colours. You're going to have to find the part that says colour and change the colour, right? There'll be some hashtag in a navbar width. I probably can't say. Oh, your colour here, right? So it's black at the minute. So this is the background. So be careful what you're changing, but you'll be able to change it to however it suits. But I think you can see that's pretty easy how to do that. So I hope it helps. Keep questions coming. I'll always try and help. Cheers.